Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Pinning conversations in your iPhone message app is a great way to keep important chats at the top. Let me show you how to do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Then you scroll through the conversation and find the one you want to pin. Tap and hold the conversation you want to pin. A menu will pop up with options. In the menu, tap Pin. This will move the conversation to the top of your Messages app where it will stay pinned for easy access. And there you go guys, you've pinned an important conversation to the top of your Messages app. It's a simple way to keep track of your most important chats. If you found this helpful, please share with your friends, comment and like, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.